Welcome to Easy Delicious Nutritious. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make these delicious vegetarian samosas. In a large bowl, I'm going to add some potatoes that I boiled earlier today. I'm going to smash them a little bit chunkier. I don't want it to be too smooth like a mashed potato. So leave some chunks, but if you like it mashed, that's okay too. To that, I'm going to add medium-sized chopped onions. I had some extra peppers in the fridge, so I'm just using up here. It's totally optional. A good amount of frozen green peas. If you have fresh, that'll be even better. And a little bit of tomatoes. This is optional. And a generous amount of chopped coriander or cilantro. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. For spices, I'm using a tablespoon of ground coriander seed, a tablespoon of cumin, a teaspoon of turmeric, this is optional too, and salt to taste. Now, if you like this to be hot and spicy, you can also put some chili flakes or fresh chilies, even better. This smells so good already. I would totally eat this as a potato salad. You just have to steam the green peas before adding it to this. For the pastry, I'm using the spring roll pastry. I'm going to be baking this, so I'm going to generously oil the sheets with a brush and then put a spoon of the mix. Make the shape according to the package instructions, or you can watch how I'm doing it here. If you're gonna fry this, you can use a little bit of cornstarch or flour and water, make a glue and apply it to the pastry so that it sticks nicely, and when you fry it, the oil does not get inside. I baked it in 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until it's nice and golden. It smells really good, it's crispy, and it tastes delicious. Look at all that goodness. Thank you for watching Easy Delicious Nutritious. Please like and subscribe.